agriculture workers' rights and protections under Ontario's Agricultural Employees Protections Act. In this video, our Associate Together team will describe agricultural workers' rights and protections under the Agricultural Employees Protections Act, 2002, or as we'll call it for the rest of this video, the AEPA. We'll cover two things in this video: agricultural workers' rights and, two, how the AEPA protects workers' rights. Part 1. The APA and agricultural workers' rights. The AEPA's purpose is to protect agricultural employees' rights while considering the agricultural industry's unique environment. The AEPA outlines 5 specific rights. Agricultural workers can create or enter into an employees' association. Agricultural workers can participate in any employees' association's lawful activities. It's every agricultural worker's right to join or not join an employees' association. Once an agricultural worker chooses to join, they must be able to participate in activities such as who will represent their interests to the employer, what workplace goals or demands will be discussed with the employer, how to change their representatives, how its members will stop being part of an employees' association. Agricultural workers have the right to assemble together. Everyone, that means you in Canada, has the right to the freedom of association. Through employee associations, agricultural workers have the right to discuss and negotiate their terms and conditions of employment with employers. Employee associations can submit their members' workplace goals or demands in writing or in person to the employer. The employer must read or listen to the employees association's goals or demands if made in writing. The employer must send a written acknowledgement to the employees association. Employers must give employee associations a reasonable opportunity to discuss and negotiate employment terms and conditions. You might be wondering, what does a reasonable opportunity mean? Employers must allow employee associations to advocate for its members. But when setting a date, employers can consider farm-related issues such as plant and harvest times, agricultural concerns related to weather, and animal or plant health and safety, the number of times employee associations ask to meet. Keeping in mind, employee associations and employers must act in good faith with each other. And 5, agricultural workers' rights are protected from interference, coercion, and discrimination. Part 2, AEPA's protects agricultural workers' rights. Employers can't interfere with employee associations. Employers, or anyone hired to work for them, can't interfere with workers trying to form employee associations. Employers can't get involved in how an employee association is run, such as recommending a worker to be a representative. Employers can't take away employees' rights. Employers can't fire a worker for joining an employee association. Employers can't treat workers differently because a worker uses their collective bargaining rights. Employers can't make workers sign an employment contract that prevents them from joining an employees' association. Employers can't punish workers for joining or not leaving an employees' association. What can I do if my employers violated my rights under the APA? When an agricultural worker or an employees' association feels its rights have been violated, they can make a written complaint to the Agricultural, Food and Rural Affairs Appeal Tribunal. This tribunal can order an employer to immediately stop violating your rights, provide a solution to fix what happened because of the rights violation, such as awarding damages, rehire or reinstate a worker with or without compensation for the loss. When the tribunal is exploring the employees' association or workers' complaint, the employer must prove that they didn't violate the agricultural workers' rights. The employees' association or agricultural worker doesn't have to prove that their rights were violated. How do I make a complaint? You must write a letter to the tribunal describing the relevant details about how your AEPA rights were violated, sign and date that letter, provide your contact information. Thank you for watching.